In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, the internet offers a vast array of opportunities to earn money from the comfort of your home. However, with so many options available, it's crucial to differentiate between legitimate ways to make money online and scams that can cost you time and resources. The reality of making money online. The idea of making money online might seem too good to be true, but the reality is that many people are earning a significant income through online ventures. However, it's essential to understand that making money online requires time, effort, and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a way to build a sustainable source of income with the right strategies and consistency. Let's dive into some of the most popular and proven ways to earn money online. Freelancing, selling your skills online. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect businesses and individuals with freelancers, offering a wide range of services. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, or video editing, freelancing can be a lucrative opportunity. The key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio, setting competitive rates, and delivering high-quality work to your clients. Steps to start freelancing. 1. Identify your skills and niche. 2. Create a profile on freelancing platforms. 3. Build a portfolio showcasing your work. 4. Apply for projects and deliver quality work. 5. Maintain good client relationships for repeat business. Affiliate marketing. Earning through referrals. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to have an audience, which can be built through a blog, social media, or a YouTube channel. The more targeted your audience is, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. 2. Build an audience through valuable content. 3. Promote products that are relevant to your audience. 4. Use tracking tools to measure your performance. 5. Stay updated on affiliate marketing trends. E-commerce, selling products, online. Starting an e-commerce business is another popular way to make money online. You can sell physical or digital products through platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model where you don't need to hold inventory. Instead, you work with suppliers who handle the shipping process. Selling handmade items, print-on-demand products, or even digital products like ebooks and courses can be profitable. Steps to start an e-commerce business. 1. Choose a product niche. 2. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. 3. Source products from suppliers. 4. Market your store through social media and SEO. 5. Optimize your website for a seamless shopping experience. Content creation, monetizing your passion. If you enjoy creating content, you can turn your passion into a source of income. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer creators the chance to monetize their content through ads, sponsorships, and product placements. Creating a blog or a podcast is another way to generate income. With a blog, you can earn money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Podcasting can bring in income through sponsorships and listener donations. Tips for content creation. 1. Choose a platform and niche. 2. Create valuable and engaging content. 3. Build an audience through consistency and interaction. 4. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 5. Continuously improve your content to retain your audience. Online courses and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on various topics. Online coaching is also in demand. Steps to create online courses. 1. Identify a topic you're knowledgeable about. 2. Create course content using videos, PDFs, and quizzes. 3. Choose a platform to host your course. 4th, market your course through social media and email marketing. 5. Engage with your students for better retention. Remote work. Full-time online jobs. Many companies offer remote job opportunities in various fields, including customer service, tech support, marketing, and software development. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job openings. Remote work offers the security of a regular paycheck while providing the flexibility to work from anywhere. However, securing a remote job requires a polished resume and relevant experience. Tips for finding remote work. 1. Identify your skills and job preferences. 2. Search for remote jobs on dedicated platforms. 3. Tailor your resume for remote positions. 4. Prepare for virtual interviews. 5. Stay organized to maintain productivity. Common scams to avoid. While there are many legitimate ways to make money online, there are also scams that you need to be aware of. Be cautious of opportunities that promise quick riches with little effort, ask for upfront payments, or require you to recruit others. Always research any opportunity before investing your time or money. Look for reviews, check for contact information, and ensure the website is secure. Red flags to watch. 1. Unrealistic income promises. 2. Requests for upfront payments. 3. Lack of transparency. No verifiable contact information. 5. Pressure to recruit others. Making money online is a realistic goal if you approach it with the right mindset and strategies. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to e-commerce and content creation, there are countless opportunities to explore. However, success doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, effort, and consistency. Focus on building your skills, creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience. By doing so, you can turn your online ventures into a sustainable source of income.